Give him a minute. Yeah, good evening, everyone. Am I audible?
Yes, yes.
Okay, fine. Better everyone, switch off your videos and also keep it in mute. If you have any query, then you can unmute and just inquire me. Okay, no issue. Okay, is my screen visible? My screen is visible now for everyone. Fine. Let us start. Control N as a shortcut and enter. Directly we got main page, and here I will explain few tips from F11 to F1 to F12. We have multiple shortcuts. What are the uses of those all? Among what do we use? Okay, I'm going to explain few. Just be alert. Okay. Yesterday we made up to polygon. Na? Present. Let us finish this. F1 to F12. Here see bottom. For me it is 2017 version, so I got here. For other versions it will be here itself directly. Okay, you can see at the bottom of your AutoCAD. Okay, what is meant by these all? Okay, first one grid mode F7, as I said you in the starting. Okay, F7 grid mode to switch on and switch off, and secondary snap. Okay, F9 is the shortcut for it. L enter, snap, everyone knows. Now see here, F9 I'm selecting to cross check. Snap is on. Whenever whenever our snap is on now, it is going. See, you can see it is directly automatically selecting the end points. Got it? Our cursor is directly selecting the end points. Okay, here even though if you are saying the first point in blue, 5 and 12.5, got it? Automatically 5.5, 6.5, that is the use of snap. Okay, F9 is the shortcut. Now again I am switch offing the snap. F9, here see snap off, or manual process is this one. This is the snap. Here see at that time 5.5, 5.5, 6.5 like that we got. Here see 5.2906, 12.27. This is the main difference. This is the advantage of snap for us. Okay, and coming to next, let us keep it in on F9, and secondary this one F12. Once more I will tell you. L enter, select the first point. The advantage of F12 is if I'm the whatever the dimension we are getting in front of our eyes, this if we are selecting the dynamic, F12 means If we are keeping dynamic on, we can see the dimensions. If we are keeping dynamic off, we cannot see the dimensions. For example, F12 I am selecting. See the dimension, whatever the dimensions we got at first, we lost it. Okay, that is due to the shortcut. Due to this, we made off the dynamic symbol. Again, F12 I am selecting. Now see, this is the advantage. Okay. And coming to next, F8. F8 is ortho mode. Okay, F8 ortho on, ortho off. See, what is the use of, what is meant by ortho? We will get only perpendicular lines. That means just straight lines, either horizontal or vertical. That's it. No angular lines we will get. When you are starting with, just better note down these all. Okay, these shortcuts. We won't repeat again. That is what. Yes, see, we will get only straight lines. If I am moving the cursor, not automatically I will get only a straight horizontal or vertical line. And third one, either if angularity means it will connect to one, it will connect from one point to other point. For example, L enter, select the first point. I'm just dragging this, I'm just moving the cursor bottom side. Okay, see, directly I got vertical. It will just move either horizontal or vertical, either in x-axis or in y-axis. Got it? Like this. Only x and y. We won't get angular lines in this. Okay, we will get, for that we need to provide specially angularity. Okay, the shortcut for that is F8. Okay, this is the what symbol. Okay, this one, ortho mode, F8. Okay, and O snap. What is meant by O snap? Let us type the shortcut. Okay, OSNAP. O snap means, here see the list of O snap. It is to track endpoint, midpoint, center, geometric center, nodes, quadrant, intersection point, parallel lines, nearest line, tangency, perpendicularity. Automatically, if we are selecting our cursor, if you are moving our cursor towards the line, it will choose it. Okay, always keep this select all, keep these all on, and okay, O snap. Okay, for O snap, this is the F3 is the shortcut for O snap. Okay, for example, see how it is. Let us make a triangle. For that we need an example. This is the O snap. I am switching it off. Okay, L enter. Here see, I move my cursor is moving beside the line. It is not targeting anything else. If I'm selecting this on, if I'm keeping it on, see how my cursor is showing each and everything. Got it? This is the midpoint, endpoints. It is directly tracking. It is showing. That is the use of O snap. And if I'm switch oning our ortho mode F8, only straight lines. If I'm switching it off, see angular also we can drag. My cursor moves even in angularity. Any queries in these shortcuts? Just let me know immediately. I will explain once more.
Once more, sir. Your sound was distorted too much, sir. Not able to listen properly.
Okay, fine. Just be on hold. I will change my mind. Okay. Is it audible now?
Yes.
Yes, now audible clear.
Is it okay? Fine. We have good clarity now. That's fine. Let us continue again. This I'm just explaining shortly now. Yeah, that from F1 to F12 we have multiple shortcuts. Already I said you in this snap F7 and F9, that is grid and snap. Okay, these two. And remaining also we have, among that I'm explaining few more. Okay. Let us take an example. REC, enter, select the first point, rectangle, specify the first corner point and second corner point or distance you can. Okay. Okay. And here it goes. Coming to snap, everyone knows that if snap, it will automatically touch the cursor, the endpoint, if I'm switching it on for snap mode. F9 is the shortcut for that. Okay. L enter, it will automatically touch directly. That means endpoints of our graph directly. And coming to here, O snap, I'm making it off. I'm making object this off and also ortho mode off. Now, first of all, ortho mode. What is meant by ortho mode? For that, we need an example. L enter. Specify the first point. See, here I am getting a straight line. Okay, perfectly. And also along with this, even angular also I can drag. Okay, I can just shift my. If I am shifting my mouse, we can see 45, 37 degrees like this directly. Okay, as much we need. And suppose if I am switching it is on, F8 is the shortcut for this F8. Okay, F8. Note down for ortho mode. See, if I am dragging my mouse, okay, if I am moving the cursor directly from 0, it is going to 90, 90 to 180 to 270. So that means for this, if you are making OSNAP, this ortho mode on, we will get only horizontal or vertical lines. Got it? That means either X or Y. That's it. Perfectly. In angularity also we will get, it makes us to provide dimensions. Got it? And again enter like this. This is the use of ortho mode. Whenever you are making, if you need only horizontal and vertical lines, you can switch this on and make the model easily. Okay? Because the main advantage is you won't get any, there won't be any kind of angular dimensions. Okay? And coming to next, this OSNAP. If OSNAP is off, okay? For this, the shortcut is F3. Okay? Switch it on, switch it off. Let us select again a small example, L enter line. If I am switching it on, off, see my cursor moves beside the line, but my cursor didn't points on that line. It is not showing any kind of dimension or whatever it is. Okay, endpoints also it is not selecting properly. Here see, if I am switching it on F3. Okay, see, now see how we can see the correcting points of line, how it selects, and also it will choose midpoint. It will show where is the midpoint of the line. See, this is the midpoint. Got it? You can see from here to here, midpoint. That is the use. To show this midpoint, first we need to make the settings on OSNAP settings and enter. Select, type OSNAP, select all. Always select these all. Clear all, select all. For few candidates, only few will be selected. Always keep these all selected and OK. Up to here, okay now?
Sir, I already setting. I already on all the settings, but still I am not getting the sector point, sir.
That is what I am telling today. Okay.
Mhm.
Just follow my steps, okay? Type OSNAP, 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 and enter. Select all and then OK. Here see, if I am selecting OSNAP, enter. Clear all. Okay, nothing is selected. OSNAP is on, even though no use. Okay, okay. Let only one be. Okay. Now here it has shown midpoint. Now let us see. L enter. It is just selecting endpoints, not this. What it? Only endpoint of for this because this is the endpoint. Even not showing midpoint of this line. This is the use of OSNAP. Okay.
Okay, sir.
For that we need to use OSNAP. Enter. Enter. And select all. Okay. Now it will be perfect. It will work perfectly. Not only for line, even for arc. If you are making, see, it will show proper midpoint. See, midpoint. First one, midpoint, second one, like this. It will show directly. Due to this, like this, it will show for us and midpoints. Note down these are most important. And coming to next, polygon. Polygon didn't finish. And in rectangle, we have one more type. REC, enter. Okay, select the first point. That is by default. And we in this we can rotate rectangle also. How? See the rotation option. For that, either select the rotation or R enter in angularity. Okay. If you need, if you have proper amount of dimension, provide 45 or 60. See rotation angle 45 degrees. Now provide the proper amount of dimensions directly. Okay. In this way. And again at the second time, after doing few commands, line or something else, again if you are going behind rectangle, na, how it comes? It comes just as the previous how we made. So like the first point, previously we made it in angularity. We kept 45 degrees the rectangle. So it will come by default 45 degrees only in angularity the rectangle. Okay. To switch it off, again select rotation, R enter, or now let us select this rotation. Here see 45 degrees. Now type 0 enter. Got it? Now see properly we got. And by as per normal 100, 50 enter. From here to 100 length and 50 height. Got it in rectangle? And coming to next, ellipse. In ellipse we have three types. From that first one, the shortcut of this is EL enter. Select the first point. First point, that means midpoint it will take. Okay. And second point, first radius. Ellipse needs two kinds of radius. Okay. Let it be 50 radius, first one, and the second one, this one, 20 enter. That means this end point will be the first radius and this one will be the second radius from this center point. Got it? And next upcoming tool, axis and end in ellipse only. This axis and end means end point to end points. First point to second point will be the diameter. First it will ask diameter. There it asks, there we have provided radius, here diameter 50 enter, and now radius. Got it? 15 enter. That means first point to one end point to other end point first, and the second one we need to show radius of this circle. Automatically it will take its own tangencies and will get output directly. Okay. And coming to next, elliptical arc. Elliptical arc in the sense ellipse only, For this we will get in this angular also we will get. Select the center point. First select the end point, and second end point, or provide the diameter. Let us provide 100, enter. Okay, now provide the radius of second circle. Let us make 20, enter. Here it needs angularity, starting angle and ending angle. Let us select starting angle as, see from where it is taking, from here it is taking 60, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, got it? Like this. Select the starting angle, 0, ending angle, provide how much you need. 60, enter. Got it? This will be ending axis. From here to here, it will be 260 degrees. Okay. This is what? The ellipse. And coming to next, hatching. Hatching already we made. I hope. For hatching, the shortcut is H, enter. Okay. Specify the center point. That means for hatching, initially we need a closed body. Without closed, no output you will get. Here it is 1. 10 let us make. 1 indicates pitch. Pitch it needs between from one point to other one line to other line, it needs 1. Okay. And in this we have 3 types: solid, gradient, and pattern. Solid in the sense solid color it will take. We can choose as per our needs. And coming to gradient, multicolor like this. Okay. And then close pattern. And coming to patterns, we have many types. We can choose as per our input. Even for updated version, you will have more than this. Close hatch creation, finish. These 3 types in single H, enter, shortcut. Okay. And coming to next, construction line, we have finished, but I am just replaying again. Select the construction line, select the center point, select shift directly for axis. This is better, enter. Got it? And coming to next, ray. Ray in the sense, for this we got end to end in x and y direction. In this only one side. Okay, as a reference from center. Even in angularity you can make it. Provide proper angularity 45 degrees. Enter. Again enter. From here to here it will be 45 degrees. And next point, multiple points. For multiple points, in the case to select the points whatever we need, wherever we need. For this, proper input is mandatory for this. Okay, initially, just as select the point. If you want to pin any proper dimension, 10 length, 15 height, like this. Enter. Escape. At 10 by 15, this is what? From here to here. That means from y-axis it is 10, x-axis it is 15. Okay, 10 and 15, like that. You can make as many you need. And coming to next, helix. For helix, the shortcut is HE, enter. HEL, enter. For helix, first reference. First point is the reference. Second one is the radius. Okay, 25 is the radius, let us take. And lateral. how much diameter you need, outer side. That means up to here it is 25. From 25 to how much we need, you can provide. 75 if you need, type 75 and enter. And again enter. Got it? From here to here 25. From here to here it is 75. Here to here it is 75. And coming to next, donut. Donut, in this the shortcut is DO, enter. For that, first we need to mention inside diameter and outside diameter. Let us provide inside diameter as 5, enter. Outside diameter as 15, enter. Now provide wherever you need the donuts. Got it? You can place as many you need with single point directly by selecting. Before that, providing proper dimension is mandatory. And coming to this cloud, rectangular, these are specially for electrical required. Specify the first corner. In second corner, directly will get.
Sir, still
Yeah.
sound is sir breaking, sir. Not able to understand, sir.
Is it okay now? Actually, I have proper signal.
Now,
also.
okay, in between, sir, is same situation. So the statement not able to understand.
Acha, acha. Okay. Up to here, this drawing toolbar entirely you have understood, na?
Almost
Any
a
queries?
cloud we tried before. I tried, but it's not making. Why I don't know. It's asking, but not making the cloud.
Okay, okay. Cloud, okay, fine. See. Revision cloud, select it, and first select the first point, and select the second point. That's it. Or first select as a rectangle only. It will take no difference. Specify opposite. Either we provide the distance 5 by 5. Enter. That's it. From select starting reference point. If you are selecting this from here to here, 5 length and 5 width, like that. Height and length. Both sides it will be 5 by 5 in this cloud. It is just as a rectangle. How we use the rectangle, na same way. If for this cloud, you will get as a cloudy type. It is especially for electrical department. And coming to next, polygon. This is also not that much different. Just you will get as per. Just select wherever you need, and finally select enter. That's it. Polyline. And coming to final, freehand. It is just as a spline. It is just as a spline. Enter. Best for example, see spline. If I am choosing spline now, how it will make? Just as a spline. And again enter finally to leave tool. This is also same as spline. These two. And this rectangle and cloud, these two are also correlated to either. Just we making principle, okay? This rectangle and this one also same. Making process, okay? Fine. Let us start the modify toolbars. This one, okay? Modify toolbars entirely. And then let us start few examples. First one, move. For that, M is the shortcut for move, okay? To make this, we need a example. Okay, we need some kind of object. C enter. C enter. I can C enter. Okay, let it be. And secondary reference. Enter. Right here. M enter. Move selected objects. That means select the objects which we want to move. And if you are selecting 3 objects, it will move entire 3. See, and selected objects 3 total. Enter. Specify base point. let us select the base point as this, or if you want to select base point as this, you can choose this end point. Now, how much displacement? Here see, move specify second point, or use first point as displacement. Either you need to provide the dimension, or you need to select where you want to move. Okay, if you have provided reference point, see, if I'm making 100, enter. Here see, from here to here it is 100. 100 it became a bigger. Let us calculate a bit. Yeah. Okay, fine. Let us make 7 displacement. That will be better. Enter. Enter. Select the objects. Enter. First, select the first point, and 3.5 from here to here it is now. Let us make 7. Enter. Got it? Even though if you are calculating the distance now, from here this to here it is 2. From this side, this end to this end it is 3.5. Now again, if I am moving, enter. Select these 3. Okay, let us select these 2. Enter. And select the displaced base point. And now provide the direction and displacement 7. Enter. Now see, from this end to this end, 3.5 as it is. Oh, got it? To move the entire body from one place to other place. And next, up to here, okay na? Move option. Just provide in chat, provide yes. Up to move command. Any queries?
No, sir.
Fine. Now sound is coming now properly for everyone.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Next command is rotate. Rotate command. REC enter. For that we need a reference. That will be advantage. REC enter. Make a square, small one. Now, if you want to rotate this to 45 degrees or 90 degrees, how? Same dimension, same. Arrow, enter. Okay, select the objects. Not only single, we can use as many. If we have 3 to 4 objects, we can select 3 to 4 and we can rotate. Okay, first step is selection the objects, total amount of objects, and then enter. And now reference point, that means base point. This will rotate around this axis, around this point. That means this point acts as the radius for this. Okay, now in this we have 2 types. Either you want to cut paste this body from one point to other point, or you want to copy. That means here one body will be, here other body will be, like that, 2 bodies. In this we have 2 types. Let us provide rotation angle initially 90. Let us provide enter. This is what it has, cut and paste. That is, it means moved from one place to other place. Now if you want this object to copy, I need this object here also and here also. How? Again arrow, enter, select the object, enter, specify the base point. Okay, here see, copy reference. First copy. Okay, now provide the angularity 90, enter. Got it? मिल गया ना दोनों भी, उधर एक और इधर एक, 2 objects we got. It depends on our output. That means company's output, how they need. As per that, we need to take an action.
Okay.
And coming to next, trim. For that, we need a bit we need few samples. Okay, observe this drawing properly. Trim means to cut out. Okay, TR, enter is the shortcut. And erase will also be, erase means it will entirely erase the single object. Trim, it won't erase entirely. It will erase from one endpoint to other endpoint. Now select the objects which you want to trim. I am selecting entire object. Here you can select manual process or at a single time. As I made directly, click here and click here like this. Okay, now select enter. Now see, select objects to trim. From one end to other end, this end to this end. Here see, from this end to this end it will trim. Got it? One end to other end. No queries now? See, again I am making TR, enter. You can select individually also. Individually it takes more time to select, okay, one by one. So as per my habit, I have chosen directly and select enter. Enter. Now it's time to take action. Trim whatever you don't need. Enter. Got it? Trim.
Yes, sir.
Selecting all at a time, how, sir?
Yeah, sorry.
Selection of all the item at a time.
Selection of all. You want how to select, na? Click it here and select like this. You know how to make a triangle na like this? In the same way, you need to select. First left click only. First left click and just drag the mouse and click it here. That's it. Got it? Click it here. Drag the mouse. Final click. Got it? When you are using AutoCAD, na, you will come to know at that time. Okay. Selection of all. Now next, extend. Extend means it will extend the object. First, it is also same process. Select all and then enter. Directly select this. Okay, see, here it is extending. For that we need edge also. Okay, here see how this line extends. Got it? If I'm selecting here, if I'm selecting here, if you are selecting here. Got it? For extend, it will select from one end to other end. For other one, it will trim. Rather than creating, if you accidentally, suddenly, if you have trimmed this, rather than to create again a circle, extend is the best tool to use. Okay. And finally, I'm selecting enter. Okay, up to here, any queries?
No, sir.
Okay, fine. Selection is simple. First left click and left click. That's it. Either from right to left you can left to right you can come. It will select. Or bottom to top also it will select. Okay, like this. And erase. Okay. For erase the shortcut is E enter. It will erase entire object. Here actually we have extended now, so we are getting confused. Let's make few samples for that. E enter like this. C. It will directly erase the entire object and select enter. Finish. It will delete entire object what we made in past. Got it? Erase and extend, trim. These three difference. Understood now?
Yes, sir.
And next, copy. Make sure the difference between move and copy. Copy means it will copy paste the past object. For that we need a sample. C enter. High diameter, let us skip. Now C, go enter for copy, select the object. Okay, and again enter. Okay. Okay, you need extend. I will repeat it later on after finishing this. Okay, just be on hold. Let us finish. Now see, we have copied these two. How we made the move? You remember, same process. First specify the base point. Select either you can select base point as this or this. It will calculate from the base point itself. Okay. First, if I am selecting this as base point, see 1.5, 2, 2.5, 3, 3.5. It will calculate from the base point as I said you. Got it? Now provide the displacement how much we need. If we need 20, enter. Again second one. From here only it will calculate. If you need one more, from this end to this end, it is 20. Again if you need 50, enter. Now see, it gets changed. 70, enter. 100, enter. And again enter. See, from this end to this end it is 20. From this end to this end it is 50. From this end to this end it is 70. Like that it will be. Okay. In copy, you will get at a time multiple points. See, 50. Got it? This will be 70. Okay. It may have taken angular dimension, so we got in point. Okay, no worries. That will be perfectly 70. This will be 100. I hope we had chosen angularly. That's so we got in 99.9984. No issues. The output will be 100. Okay, 20, 50, 70, 100 like that. Okay, and coming to next, mirror. To get the same object opposite side, if we need like that, we will use mirror. Further, the shortcut is mi enter. Mi enter. Now same process as we used for move copy rotate. For mirror also same process. Select this and again enter. Now provide the first point. That means it needs a reference. Just as a mirror, first point and second point. Erase. If you want to erase this left side, select S. It will cut and paste. If you don't want to erase, select no. See, let us select N, enter. We didn't erase. Now again see. Mi, enter. Select these two objects. Again enter. This line is specially for reference. Okay. I'm selecting this one to this end. Between this. If I want this object, we need to select no. If I want to delete this, yes. Erase source object. Yes. It has deleted the source object. This is the mirrored object. Okay. And coming to the past one, which dot you have? Extend. Now see, observe clarity difference between extend. It will extend the object whatever we are making. For that we need a sample. Okay, let this be. Observe it. For trim, initially let us trim tr, enter, view. Like these all objects, enter. Now trim as per our need. If you are selecting like this, it will choose directly. Okay. Enter. Now extend. For extend, EX is the enter shortcut. Okay. Select the objects. Enter. Now let us extend. Select this one. Select this line. Select the end line directly. It will extend. Okay. See, directly by selecting the point line, it will extend like this. Whatever you are choosing. And again finally enter. Got it? Postly. Did you understood? Extend tool. Okay. Oh, fine. Now let us make these two tools, fillet and chamfer. For that we need a example. We need a rectangle. REC enter. Specify the first point, second point. Now let us for fillet. Fillet means it will provide smooth edges. This angular edges. Okay. For fillet the shortcut is F enter. Now by default the radius is 0. Okay. Now initial step we need to provide radius further. Select R, enter. Now provide the radius. How much radius if we need? 50 radius, and let us make 25. Enter. See, specify fillet radius. It is 25. Now select the first one, second one, and again enter. This will be properly 25 radius. F enter. Provide the radius. R enter. Let us make 75. Enter. F enter. R enter. I want to change from 25 to 75. Provide, make it 75. Now select first one. Select the first line, second line. Okay. If you want to repeat it, select enter. First one, second one with same 75 radius. Okay. And coming to next chamfer. Observe this. For chamfer, CH is the shortcut. CHA is the chamfer. In chamfer, we have two types. We will do either by angle or by distance. Okay. Angle in the sense, whatever the line we are getting here, that will come in proper amount of angle. See, I will show how. If you want in angle, type A, enter. Now provide the chamfer length, how much you want from this to here. How much? Either you can select or you can type. I am mentioning 100. Enter. Now mention the chamfer angle. I am mentioning 45 degrees. I need the angle. Enter. Select the first line and second line. Got it? And again enter. I am using first line and second line. Now see. Properly 100 is the length. Got it? From this side, and this side also it will be properly 100. And coming to angularity, if you are cross checking, angularity in the case from here to here, in this way, it will be 45. Inner side. Okay, totally outer side angle will be 45 degrees. For both sides same. These two. And coming to next length. CHA, enter. Now if you want in length, distance in the case, D enter or select that distance. Specify first chamfer distance. First chamfer distance I am expecting 150. Enter. Second chamfer distance I need 50. Enter. Now see. Again enter. First one, second one. That means first length and second length. First length it will take 150. Second length it will take 50. Let us check the distance. See properly, if here it is 150, other side it will be 50 absolutely. Got it? Up to chamfer, any queries? Up to fillet. Any queries? Just let me know immediately.
From there, but I selected that it's not showing length or
Yes,
angle showing value.
Which one? Sir, your voice is not clear. I am getting entire. Your voice is not clear. Could you type it? Better type in chat. Chat me.
Okay.
It is breaking, sir. Voice. Sorry for it.
Sir, that side annotation from here, you taking the dimension value now, like 60
Yeah.
degree or the length.
Yes,
That I
yes.
am asking, sir, how it will show the value, because I tried that time, it's not showing anything.
Showing
From
value
annotation you
means,
are taking.
see,
Yes, yes,
here
yes.
in this dimension it will show. Linear means horizontal or vertical you will get. Align means in angularity if the line is in. Got it? See here the example. See here, one is straight and other is linear. Escape. Okay. For if you need aligned means in angular dimension, you need to choose aligned. Aligned only you need to choose. Linear, it will come only either horizontal or vertical. Got it? Parallel or perpendicular like this. Horizontal x or y axis parallel to. Got it?
Sir, the value is not showing, sir. Value, how much length or how much angle it is, like that.
Could you send me the photo in WhatsApp? I will let you know.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Have you zoomed in? Because here, see, it is the design which I made. It is so bigger. So value shows so minor. That is what it happens in some time. See, 15,000. See how much bigger it is. Like that it happens. Got it?
Okay, sir. Okay, understand. Okay,
Depends
fine.
on size what we made.
Yes.
We made 1,53,385. It won't even happen. Got it?
Got it. Got it.
Okay. Fine. Better cross check. Zoom in. How am I doing? Scroll with mouse, and you will get the output. Okay. No issue. Now let us make an example. Okay. Today it is finished. Better if you have any queries, just list out, and better you practice the models which sir has sent. And coming the shortcuts, I am sending a soft copy. Better note down that. Okay. I am placing the short copy in the document. Okay. In our
Okay,
chat
sir.
box. Just better everyone note down that. Download it and you can cross check. And coming to shortcut, remembering that is not critical. It is so easy. Okay.
Sir, one more thing, sir. Zoom in, zoom out. Have any specification maximum how much length we can magnify like this?
There is no limitation.
Minimum.
Just now you have seen na 1,58,000. I got the length. Got it.
Right, sir. That's
There won't be any limitation. Okay. You can make as much bigger model you need. Okay, you can see everyone. This one AutoCAD shortcuts. Better download this one. Okay. In this entire shortcuts are there. Okay. Better everyone download and just go through it. Okay, fine. Then you can leave if you have downloaded admins. Okay. I'm ending the meeting. Thank you. Yeah.
Sir, file is not. File is
Just text here. Text me. Text me. Your voice is not clear, sir. Please text in chat.
okay, sir. Sir, can you send it on, because the file is not showing here in WhatsApp.
Text me. Drop in. Text me, sir. Voice is not clear. Okay. Yeah, Mr. Swapnil, sir. Please text here. File is not okay. I do one thing. I will just. I will keep in WhatsApp. Okay. You can download. Okay. Thank you. I will place it in WhatsApp.